What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. And today, man, we're gonna be working under Hurricane Helene conditions. There's a hurricane coming towards us this week. Well, not this week, today actually. And business gotta keep rolling. Business gotta keep moving. And that's it, man. I'm gonna go pick up our boy right now, our special guest, Jacob. And we see you guys at the shop.
Japanese finger.
Ooh, look at that. Wow. Well, you only got hit 3 or 4 times. Careful with the sense.
That's the first. Besides. Hey, Bob, you see this whole donut? You see this whole donut? Now I'm in a donut hole. Ah, let's skip it. Come to Go Tire Shop where you can see everything persistent in life. We have good and caring kindness for anybody who needs tire work. Now, wish were granted, you might see someone act stupid, but that's just for the funs and kicks and giggles of it. I mean, yep. Now, we have really good workmanship, but when it comes down to it, we have to apply ourselves to y'all, and that's a promise we'll have. We may have them goofy moments like you just seen. I mean, boss walked in and saw me mess with a donut tire and just, I got bored. So, come to Go Tire Shop. Come to Go Tire Shop where, what? It ain't my fault that I look like a bald-headed dog. It works.